Okay, we are now going to demonstrate how to start your first project. We've already created the auxiliary file, and we're never going to touch that auxiliary file except this one time. And right now we're going to take it, we're going to copy, paste. There's a copy. We're going to rename it to the new project, which is coupon, and put a hyphen, put your last name, first initial, and a revision number. Okay? Auxiliary files remains intact. We're not going to touch that. Auxiliary files, there's our zip from last time. This is our new copy of auxiliary files. Everything inside will, of course, be auxiliary files. We're going to take this one, we're going to rename it dash your last name dash 01. That's the name of the file. We are not going to touch auxiliary files. Double click coupon to make sure everything's intact. Let's run the program. Exits, and of course that works. Come over here, rename the VB file. .vb. No other characters are acceptable there. It has to be just the word coupon. Alright, now we're going to open up the form, which still says auxiliary files. So we click on the form, and we have to come down. The text here changes to coupon. Oh, let's make that better. Coupon dash 01. Oops. Back. Initial. Okay. Coupon ampersand S01. And that's our entire revision. We're going to save everything. So now it's backing up to the outer folders. We have the original auxiliary files, which we created with just the exit button. This is our first project, which is a copy of that and updated with the information. And this is a zipped file of this in case you end up destroying that. Now, you work on your program, you do a lot of work. You come back to it the next day. Your best bet: copy, paste, rename it. Come on. Take out the word copy, give it 02. Do not go back into 01. You now do your work in 02. Of course, this gets renamed. And you got to do this kind of immediately. You do this sometime other time, you're going to forget. It's not uncommon to have 02, 03, 04, 05, and so forth. Your best bet to do this is because you do a real messy job in 02. You can always come back and work with 01. And this will become useful for you much later when you have a very large program. Right? And that's it for this lesson.